Hi, this is Westgate Property Management, and I am outside of 732 Judith Court in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath home in just a moment, but I'm going to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is part of a duplex and close to downtown Petaluma, the SMART train, and the Target shopping center. Has a sweet front porch area, a lovely storm door, which we don't see a lot of those. You come into the living room. This is a really nice space. Through this door is the half bath. So you have that downstairs. Dining room. Kitchen with all new appliances, gas range, access to the backyard, let's go upstairs and see the bedrooms. So, hall bathroom with a tub and shower. This bedroom faces the back of the home, and it's a little larger than you think. It's a pretty nice sized room. And this room faces the front of the home. So again, this is 733 Judith. Thank you so much for watching.